Success is not final, failure is not fatal. All that matters is the courage to continue the count. A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. This is PNSP Vaishali from Aja Commerce Academy, and I'm here to speak a few lines upon this topic. A repeater is not a failure. To be more precise, I'm here to clear this myth that most of the students, especially CA aspirants, have on their minds, that a repeater is a failure. Well, let me tell you all a very short story. Consider there are two people, person A and person B. Both of them find a map of treasure. So they go to that place, spot the treasure, and this person A starts digging. He digs for a couple of hours, couple of minutes, and then he eventually gets tired. Then he says to himself, "Oh no, I'm feeling very tired. I think I should stop this process, go back home and have a nap." And this person B, he doesn't find treasure so easily. He digs and digs for a couple of days also. He also gets tired. But he says to himself, no matter what is going to happen, I will repeat this process until I find the treasure. And guess what? After 1 week, B actually spots the treasure and he has achieved what he wanted to. Now you tell me who is the actual failure in these cases? Of course, person A who has given up. Remember one thing, failure is not the one who repeats, but he is the one who gives up. Do you know what is the basic difference between a successful person and the one who is a failure? A successful person is not the one who has never failed in his life. Instead, he is the one, despite all the odds, no matter how many hurdles and failures he came across, he kept on holding up and he kept on trying until he got what he wanted to. No matter what the profession is, IAS, IPS, chartered accountant, engineer, doctor or any profession, it is going to test your patience, your persistence and your willpower to achieve the goals. I completely understand we all feel low at times, we feel depressed, we feel stressed out, we feel disheartened. Each one of us over here is going through some or the other thing and I completely understand. But each one of us is a warrior at the same time. A warrior who is fighting hard to achieve his dreams despite all the odds and despite all the hurdles that he faces in his life. You know why 90% of the people fail in their lives? Not because they are not talented, but because they don't focus on what they are meant for. They try to become bookworms, buy hard things and do stuff which they're actually not meant for. But the remaining 10% are the ones who identify their talent, who grab it and who give their 100%, and nothing in this world can stop them from achieving success. Life is an opportunity to prove your worth to this entire world. Whether you participate or you don't, your name will be there in the records. But history will remember only the winners. So do something big that generations will remember you. Before entering into CA itself, we all might have been mentally prepared. It is not going to be easy. We will fail at some or the other point during inter or during final. And talking about this society, people will say some or the other thing. तुम कुछ करो, तुम कुछ ना करो, तुम कुछ भी करो. लोग तो बोलते रहेंगे. पर अगर तुम इन लोगों की बातों पर परवाह करोगे, तो जिंदगी में कुछ कब अचीव कर पाओगे? All that matters is, do you have faith in yourself? Do you believe in yourself? Do you have confidence about yourself? Only these three questions should matter. And self-confidence is the best outfit ever. Just own it. You all will rock in your lives. Before ending my speech, I would like to tell you all one thing. All of us here, everyone, you, me, everyone, we all are unstoppable. No matter how many attempts it is going to take, no matter how many times we fall and no matter how many failures we come across, we are not going to give up until we achieve what we want to. So keep working hard, keep grinding. Thank you so much.